Have you heard the nesting bird? Morning doves take their morning stroll. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Starling sings from a metal pole. Coo, coo, coo. Cuck, 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 cuck. Whistle, wee tree. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin, nesting up there. Sparrow makes a simple jingle. Swallow slides from under a shingle. Chittick, chittick. Ha ha chit chit chit. Ha ha twitter twit. Crow calls out, "Come meet and mingle! Caw, 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 caw!" But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Chickadee is an acrobat. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. Chirr, 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 purdy, purdy, purdy. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Meow, meow. But have you heard the nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue Jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. Rip Poor Will has his favorite trill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. Jay, 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 whip-poor-will, whip-poor-will, yole, yole. But have you heard the nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. Wait, what's that? Tapping, cracking. Something made a little sound. Breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around. Ruffling, shuffling. The bird flew off with something blue. Cheeping, peeping. Look, another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here.